Confusing words. Are you able to tell whether it is escalator or elevator? Hotel or motel? Turtle or tortoise? Jail or prison? These words are so closely related as they often get us confused to decide which one to use in a particular situation. Let's see some of these different words one by one. Pandemic, epidemic. A pandemic is spread to multiple countries or continents across the world. Epidemic. An epidemic is a disease that affects a large number of people within a community. Turtle or tortoise. Turtle shell is lighter. Tortoise has round, bumpier and heavier shell. Turtles spend most of their time in water and tortoise spend most of their time on land. Hotel or motel. A hotel provides lodging, but it also offers restaurant, meeting rooms, stores, gym, swimming pool, etc. A motel is a structure of small rooms that provide lodging and parking to travelers. Frog or toad. Frog has smooth and moist skin. Toad has rough and dry skin. Escalator or elevator. Escalators are moving stairways that allow people to move between floors in busy places such as shopping malls, airports, etc. Elevators are closed cabins inside vertical shafts that are used to transport people between different floors in high-rise buildings. Lemon or lime. A lemon is sour yellow citrus fruit. A lime is sour green citrus fruit. Crocodile or alligator. Crocodiles have more pointed or V-shaped mouth. Alligator have U-shaped mouth. Jail or prison. Jail can be used for those held for minor crime. Prison is a place for convicted criminals of serious crimes. Rabbit or hare. Rabbits are small in size and have small ears. Hares are bigger in size and have longer ears. Running or jogging. Go quickly by moving the legs more rapidly, that is running. Run at slow pace, especially as an outdoor exercise, is jogging. For more educational and fun learning videos, please do subscribe to our channel and click bell icon to receive notifications. Thank you.